Alright guys, I got this Galaxian board back out because one of my commentors mentioned sparkles in the sprites, and absolutely there are sparkles in the sprites. So I had this thing boxed up and everything, and thank you for the comment on the sparkles, because I just don't notice everything. I didn't notice it, but absolutely there are sparkles. And that's actually a pretty easy fix. These guys right here, these RAM right here, are kind of called the attack RAM. When the bad guys dive, these RAMs kind of buffer the lines in those guys. And if you see sparkles, and if you notice, it only happens here. Let's look at the screen. Let me back off and just pick this thing up, and let's come and look at the screen. The sparkles only happen when they dive. See, these guys will sit up here, and it happens right here. When they come out, it's all sparkly. If you'll see these guys right, where are you at? Okay, right there. Sparkly. See them sparkle? See that sparkly crap? They're sparkling, but they do not sparkle when they're just sitting up at the top of the screen. They only sparkle when they attack. And this just must be, it's because it's not where they're normally at up here. See, there's no sparkles. They only sparkle when they attack. Come on. Anyway, Midway posted a bulletin, so this is nothing. I didn't come up with this. I'm not going to say that I did. There's an easy way to test these guys. And the way you do it is you make a little clip like I've got here. Let me back off again. Okay. I've got an alligator clip to 5 volts, alligator pin, and then I just got a pointer pin, you know, to touch a line. What I'm doing is I'm pulling the output high on these guys until the sparkles go away. And that'll tell you which RAM is bad. And this is posted by Midway back in the day. So I'm just going to go on pin 6 of each one of these until them sparkles disappear. This guy, the sparkles are completely gone. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up so that you can see it over here. So bear with me. All right. And I'm going to focus down on when they come out, like right over here, when they come down here. And I'm going to turn a couple lights down. There, that's good enough. That'll clarify. Let me just make sure these guys come out and it's lined up decent for you. Okay. See the sparkles? That's perfect. Okay, now we're going to let it cycle through. You can see the sparkles. And when it gets back to this point, I'll go ahead and I'll touch pin 6 on the first RAM. What I'm looking for is for the sparkles to disappear. So it's in the diving, attract mode right now where they're diving at you, and you can see the sparklies. I'm going to start with the attack RAM that's furthest away, closest to the edge of the board. is where we'll start. And it's going to be getting ready here pretty quick. Here we go. It should start over now. Okay. Yeah, they're coming out now. Alright, I'm going to touch pin 6. And I still see sparklies. Next RAM. I'm still seeing sparklies. Next RAM. I'm still seeing sparklies. Next one. No sparklies on that one. And the last one. Also no sparklies. I'm going to hold it on the last one a little bit longer. So we might have 2 bad RAM on here. Okay. So based on that alone, let me turn the light back on. And let's back this up and bring the camera back. Okay. And set you back over here nice and gently. Alright. Okay. I touched pin 6 on this guy and there were still sparkles. Still, and then these 2 I touched, there were no sparkles. So it's either both of these or one of these. I don't know exactly. So I am going to remove both of these guys. Put a couple sockets in there and determine which one of these is the actual bad RAM. So, okay. Let me shut this off. And I'm going to get my desoldering stuff out, and when I come back I'll have sockets in there and everything. Will be ready to retest and re-look at this. Okay, as you can see, I had to bring out the big guns on this one because I removed every one of these RAMs, all 5, and it turns out the RAM are not the problem, although I have one of my new ones in there because one of them disintegrated when I took it apart. Yeah, so. But I've got one of them removed. Remember these 2 right here, when I removed these or I pulled them high, I pulled the, if I pulled the output high, the sparklies went away. And I've got this guy removed, and what I've noticed is, look at how nice the clock is, right? The clock is nice and clean. If I, and with this guy removed, there's no sparklies. If I place this thing back in the board, you'll see what it does to the clock. Okay, now look at the little bull crap in the clock. You see the little bull crap? And that only appears if I've got these 2 in the board. What I think is happening is the pulses, the output pulses from those 2 guys on pins 6, and it's a really fast pulse, you know. What I think is going on is these data bits that are going into this guy right here are corrupting the clock. I think that this chip is unstable. And whenever these 2 bits are going into this guy, it does this to the clock. I think that's what's happening in making it sparkly. Because as long as I got those 2 guys in there, I'll remove this one. Okay? I removed that one, I still have goofy clock. Right? which means I still have sparkles. But if I remove either one of those guys, either one of these, it cleans it up. And these are not bad RAMs, because it did the same thing. I had all new RAM in it and it did the same thing. So I think this guy's the culprit. It's just leaky or something, and it's letting those pulses corrupt the clock. And I think that's what's going on. So I'm going to pull and replace this guy. And you'll see in the schematic over here, it's this guy right here. And it feeds the outputs. The outputs come in and it feeds back into the RAM. No, it doesn't. I'd have to put this all together to see exactly what it does. But it is in the video circuit, obviously. So I'd have to put this together. I've got my schematic printed out. I need to cut it and tape it together. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to replace that guy. We'll go ahead and I'm going to put this RAM back in. You know what I'll do? I'll take this RAM, I'll put that RAM over here, try to get every pin in. Excuse me. Alright, I'll be back. Alright. I try not to do that. I try my best not to use bad words, and I apologize. And I still don't have that leg in. I'll be back. It's hard to do with one hand, so I'll be back. Okay, I did it. I got every leg in. As I was saying, sorry for the bad. I really try to watch that, but I just got disgusted at myself for bending all the legs on one of those. But yeah, I got this guy out, and I actually just took this one out of here and put over to here to prove that it's not the RAM. See that nice clean clock? And there's no sparklies. Focus. Come on, dive. Nope, they're not going to dive. Yeah. Just trust me, there's no sparkles. When they come out, you'll see. See that? It's missing colors, but there's no sparkle. Okay. So, as I said, we're going to replace this guy right here. I don't know if you can see that in this camera, if it focuses, but there's no more sparkles. Sparkles, be gone. Be gone with you, sparkles. And watch the gameplay a little bit, and you'll see the total absence of sparklies. And here comes the bad guys, and he's coming down, and there are no sparkles, and he's coming down and there are no sparkles, and once again, no sparkles, no sparkles. And one more time for good measure. Not a sparkle to be found. Not a sparkle. All right. And we're here. Shut up, phone. Shut up. All right. Oh, let me get this out. Oh, perfect. I noticed that these two signals right here coming from here, they come from this mux at 3L, raw 1, raw 0. Those two signals come over and come up here and they what do they do? It's tapped off into this by 2P and goes to that 32, and then raw 1 is tapped off into 2P as well. And this business. 2P is a 0, 0. And I noticed that if I jumped 2P, the sparkly got a lot better. I analyzed 2P with this guy and it looked absolutely fine. So I just, on the safe side, replaced 2P and the 157. Those two guys right there. It didn't have nothing to do with any of these RAMs or this guy. It was this chip, I believe. I think it was this, because I analyzed this and it looked fine. Anyway, yeah, so now there's not a sparkle to be found. No sparkles. Yeah. So to answer the question in the comments on the first video, absolutely not, that's not normal behavior. There are not supposed to be sparkles. And now there are not. Alright guys, that is a nice little part 2 to this guy, which I was not planning on, but I had to open the box back up and grab this board out of it. And do this. So good. Now it is 100%. So thank you for the comment. And alright, that's going to do it, guys. Thanks a lot. And we'll see you on the next Classic Arcade Repair. Peace out.